feedback messages are used to provide learners with information when they interact with an interaction object in the HTML5 output. Look at this example. The drop area object has correct and incorrect feedback messages by default. Some interaction objects come along with default feedback messages, some of them don't. Therefore, ActivePresenter allows you to add new messages. To do that, open the Questions tab. Click the Message button. Select one message. Click here to enter your hint message. All feedback messages appear with default format and text. You can customize them if you want. For example, fill the message with any color you like. Change their shape. Or change to a new text. When inserting any messages to an interaction object, ActivePresenter will automatically add default events, actions to make them to be shown in the output. Each message also has animation effects when it appears and disappears by default. You can freely customize the effect types, effect duration, or how long it shows up on the canvas. Let's see the output. That's it.